kings, queens. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. Please click like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on future content. I have a beautiful Jerry curl wig in a lovely reddish brown color by Klaiyi wigs. This wig comes with some lashes, as you saw, a wig grip to, flatten down the front part, and it came with a stocking cap. As you can see, the beautiful rich color, the curls are beautiful. It has an adjustable strap for the inside to make the wig glueless. So I separated that. I'm going to put that back inside, and it has two combs in the front, one in the back. It's a 13 by 6, I believe, lace. It's 18 inches, 150 degrees in density. So I'm going to put some tinting spray in. It's a beautiful reddish brown color to help match the wig for my scalp. And of course, once you do that, because you don't want it to be so pale for the scalp, I use a little bit of foundation later on to lighten it a little bit, because I noticed that this was, a little bit darker than I would like, but I really wanted it for around the edge so that it will blend with my skin, especially with the makeup I use. So you can use foundation, and with my stocking cap, I put that I put a little makeup around the perimeter as well. It looks like the tinting spray that I use, right? But I use makeup, so I know that that fit perfectly. And you see how it blends better with my skin, because that lace was a little too light. I plucked it a little bit more, as you'll see when I comb it and wet it and put the mousse and everything. You'll see more of the hair shed it out, but that's basically because I did a little more tweaking around the front. The hairline is pretty good, but do it to fit your taste. And so I'm going to put the adhesive on to secure it and just tweak it and style it a little bit more. So enjoy. This is Klaiyi and reddish brown. I always get one side looking nice than the other. This was lifting some, so I put a little more spray and put that down a little bit. So it's pretty good. Unless you're going to pin it up, make sure you have that secure, because it may do a little lifting, but I did it a second time with a little bit, secured a little bit more, because I didn't put, I only put one layer of the glue and a little of the spray. But if you're going to have it on for a few days, definitely put a little bit more spray or glue, whichever product you plan on using. Or when you cut your lace, you do it as close as you can, but with the elastic band you can tighten it, and you can do it glueless. But I don't have my elastic band tightened. I'm gonna have this in for about 2 days, maybe 3 for the rest of the week for work. I'll tie it up at night. So that's why I wanted to add a little bit more spray, because I don't want to take it off. So I secured that a little bit more in the front. But definitely you can use the band that you see it comes with, because that way you don't have to use glue if you don't want to. You can do it glueless. So that's the purpose of the band. But yes, this is by Klaiyi. There is some shedding, just so you know. I had tweezed it before I installed it. After I washed it, no, before I washed it, I had teased it a little bit. The hairline was pretty good, but I wanted to do a little more, so I tweezed it in the front, the hairline, and then I washed it and conditioned it. And then you saw me install it. That was with a wash and conditioned hair. So you don't have to do it. Just me personally, with human hair, I like to wash and condition it, and then you can put, as you saw, I wet it, put the mousse. I had it as a middle side part, but I love a left side part, because on the right I like to hang, you know, a little bit more over my eye area. But you can do it as a middle, and you can do it as a right side part as well. This is 18 inches. It's 150 density. It's not sponsored. I purchased it myself. Pretty reasonable, depends on the amount of length and density for the price. But I may have paid somewhere around $120 for it at 150 density. Is 18 inches. I didn't want it too thick, too voluminous. 150 is good for me, but you know, with the shedding, over time it will probably thin out. So if you like thicker hair, thicker curls, you may want to go for the 180. But I think it's beautiful. The color I absolutely love on our skin tone. I think red, especially a deep red auburn like this, a reddish brown, is beautiful. I love this color, not just for the summer, but also for the fall. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful fall color, and winter as well, all year round, but it's definitely a fall color. So I hope you love this look. I love the hair. I love a curly wet look, especially for summertime. You want to put it up in a ponytail. You can go out, get it wet. It's all about the adhesive. This is pretty good if you want to get the bow hold. You can follow them on YouTube, and they have a whole tutorial, because they also have a couple other adhesives, and the woman who has this company will definitely show you exactly how to install it, where it can be really bonded for, it's really good, bonded for if you're in water, if you're in the pool, and it won't come off. So definitely get your bowl hold, and like I said, you can get a full tutorial on her YouTube channel. So yes, I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, stay authentically you and live the life you deserve. Stay blessed. Peace.